guys, sorry. Today,
Hi guys!
so today we're gonna play some quiz that who is
Ayun, ayaw yung tumayo, sis.
something like
How good is your knowledge of animals?
15 animals, knowledge, trivia quiz.
Yan, kung sino yung matatalo doon sa mga questions, papahiran ng pulbo. It's a powder. Powder naman siya. Ayun yan ang uling, guys. Hatching! Di ba kasi nag-start na hatching ka na? So, yung matatalo, papahiran ng pulbo. Ayun niya kasi ng uling. So, let's start.
Let's go!
Tignan natin kung sino matalino sa aming dalawa!
Yeah!
Oh,
Hurry
go.
up, I will click the subscribe.
Which one is the fastest?
Cheetah.
Cheetah. Kasi alam namin yan, Bull.
Yeah.
Wala yung Bull.
Yeah.
Which has black skin.
Walang bear.
Rabbit.
Hindi, pag tinanggal mo may ano, may
Ay, oo, rabbit.
walang bear.
Oo nga, wala. Pag ginano mo siya, tinanggal mo yung fur niya.
Hummingbird. I know that. I have one point, and that is
What is the largest mammal in the
blue
world?
whale. Blue whale.
Elephant.
Blue whale.
Elephant.
Blue whale. 2 points for me.
Which one has 8 legs? Spider.
Spider. Rabbit.
Medyo matadali. Ayan. Spider. What is the favorite name? Joey. Joey.
Yo.
Alam kasi namin iba. So,
Which one has 3 hearts?
octopus. Ano ba yun? Three.
An octopus.
Di ba? Alam kasi namin yung iba. What mammal is capable of
Squirrel.
life?
Bat. Wala. Kala ko squirrel. Bat.
Correct.
Bigyan na ako ng thrill. Which animal is known for playing dead to avoid predators?
Frog.
Opossum. Opossum? Do I pronounce it?
Frog.
Opossum.
Frog.
Opossum.
They have one more
Which one's the type of lizard? Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragon.
I know that trick. Walang pupo natin.
Yes, Komodo dragon.
Look at my 2 points right now, guys.
Which bird is often associated with delivering
Flamingo.
babies? Stork.
Flamingo.
Stork.
Flamingo.
Napikit ka ba? Napikit ka ba dyan?
Who can sleep for 3 years?
Snail.
Snail. Dagdag pa natin.
May konti pa. Madami pa yun.
Snail.
Diba? What animal has the longest lifespan?
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Elephant.
Tortoise.
Elephant.
The tortoise.
3 points for me.
What is the fastest marine animal?
Sailfish.
Tuna.
Sailfish.
Tuna.
Sailfish. Sailfish. 4 points.
Which animal has the largest brain? Whale.
Whale. Look at my 4 points. And look at mommy's 2 points. I want to sip it right now.
Yes, a whale.
Which animal cannot jump? Rhinoceros.
Elephant.
Rhinoceros.
Elephant.
Rhinoceros.
Elephant.
An elephant.
5 points.
Which has the largest
Which
wingspan?
bird has the largest wingspan? Albatross.
Ostrich.
Albatross.
Ostrich.
Correct.
Albatross. Pamalagay sa CR. Which of this is a type of fish? Blue whale.
Clownfish.
Blue whale.
Clownfish, obviously.
Obviously.
Which has the most teeth in the world?
Catfish. Ay, shark.
Catfish na. 200 feet na.
Yes, a catfish.
Yan.
Which animal can flip standing up?
Horse.
Bear.
Horse.
Bear.
Horse.
Bear.
Horse. I don't want to be
Of
ano.
course, can do that.
Yeah.
Which animal is the heaviest?
What is the heaviest?
Elephant.
Whale.
Elephant.
Whale.
Victor. Elephant nga ni.
Whale. Ting ting.
Which animal is known for changing its color?
Chameleon.
Chameleon.
I have
Chameleon.
This is straight now. This is someone. You look like a panda right now.
What's the world's smallest bird? Sparrow.
Hummingbird.
Sparrow.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
More point.
Which one hibernates?
Hibernates. Hedgehog. Ay, deer.
Hedgehog.
Deer.
Puro na lang mali yung sagot mo. Tingnan mo, guys.
What is the strongest white horse?
Orca.
Elephant.
Wala naman yung name. O, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo. More point.
Which animal group is called the pride?
Pride.
Tiger.
Ay, lions. Ano? When the end, you will be scrabbled up with this and you look like a panda.
Tiger.
Lions.
Group of lions.
I told you, I am smart.
Who sleeps the longest in a day? Sloth.
Sloth.
Koala.
They like
Koala. Wala! Which animal is known as the shape of the camel?
Camel.
Yes, a camel.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, he has 3
Which animal is
Who
mammal?
has its main diet?
Panda.
Koala.
Panda.
Koala.
Panda.
Koala.
Ito sa'yo.
Which bird cannot fly but is an excellent swimmer? Penguin. Penguin.
Penguin. I want to
What animal is the symbol of the WWF? Panda.
Dolphin.
Panda.
Dolphin.
Panda.
Dolphin.
Panda. 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 What's the animal in the world? Sloth.
I miss nails.
Sloth.
Nails.
Sloth.
Nails.
Sloth. Sloth. Told you. What is the largest land carnivore? Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it to the right.
Shake it,
What is the largest reptile?
Reptile.
Saltwater crocodile.
Saltwater crocodile.
Saltwater crocodile.
It's like snow. No, it's like snow.
Which animal collects nectar to make honey? Bees.
Bees. Bees.
Bees. Bees.
Bees. Bees. Bees.
Yes, bees.
No.
What is the tallest animal in the world?
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
I want more. So, a little bit. So, let's almost. Now, it's almost finished.
Which animal can live both in water and land? Crab.
Fish.
Crab.
Frog. Fish.
Crab.
Yes,
Crab.
frog.
Frog. Ang fish, pag pag wala sa water, mamamatay.
What is the largest
Fish in the world. Whale shark.
Well, sure. Aray ko, yung pulbo ko naman to sa mata ko.
Whale shark. Correct answer.
Ito ka.
Which
Which bird
bird
is
is
famous for its
Peacock.
colorful tail feathers? Peacock.
Peacock. Peacock. Peacock.
Yes, peacock.
Peacock. Look like I'm dancing
Which
like
animal
a
has 5 arms?
crab.
Starfish.
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 Why wala sabi na crab?
Sabi mo
What
crab.
animal baby is called a cow?
Cow.
Cow. Cow.
Sabi mo crab daw yung mga.
Cow.
Which animal uses its skin to breathe underwater?
Fish.
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 Ay, hindi.
Fish. Fish.
Frog. Kasi yung sa fish yung kanilang ano eh. Ano ba
Wala,
yun?
wala, wala.
Which of these is a mammal?
Dolphin. Mammal.
Dolphin. Ay.
That is a mammal. I'm gonna bring my lunch.
Which
before-
one doesn't have a brain? Starfish.
Cucumber.
Starfish.
Dito yung heart niya?
Brain nga.
Starfish.
Star brain kasi every. Hindi heart.
Which one weighs less than a kilo?
Meerkat.
Yan.
Meerkat.
Look at my boy. And I'm eating it right now.
Meerkat.
Meerkat. Ang chicken. Isang kilo yan.
Which one is the smartest?
Parrot.
Pig. Ay, parrot.
Parrot. It's parrot.
Oh my God. It's...
Yes, okay.
Ay, a pig.
Ay, pig na.
Ay, sabi mo parrot din.
Sabi ng pig. Sabi ng pig.
Sabi ng pig. Which insect has a queen? Bees. Ay, ladybug.
Bees.
Ladybug.
Ano ako? May point ako. Wala, wala. Sabi ka pig.
Which animal is known for building dams?
Beaver. Beaver.
Otter.
Beaver.
Otter. How do you pronounce that one? Otter. Otter.
Otter.
Beaver. What animal can regrow its limbs?
Shark.
Starfish.
Ay, starfish. Shark sa akin.
Starfish can do that.
Starfish can do that.
Shark.
What animal's poop is square shape?
Square-shaped.
Wombat.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Wombat.
I don't know.
Wombat.
Where?
Wombat.
Oh, sabi mo na.
But it's known as part of kilo.
Ay, tapos na. Okay, guys, we're done.
Wait, there's more.
We're done.
No.
14. Ano na? Tagal na. Done na.
Wait.
Sige na.
No, please. I have more. Guess 100 animals for quiz.
See you on our next video.
What?
Bye.
Wow.